Did they look at your finances? Like, they can't give you a real answer. They didn't look at your stuff, right? But when we get resourceful, and it's one of those things I laugh because people will say, like when I go on shows like, Soraya, how do you build generational wealth? I'm like, well, there's a million ways to do it. There's a lot of ways to do it. The question is, which one will you do? Right? And I think that when we come together to a place of resourcefulness and we're able to say, oh, there's not one or two ways, there's a million ways, which could be a little overwhelming, right? But then it's like, okay, well, let's narrow it down to the ones that you feel like you're going to do, or you're interested in, or you're willing to put some time and effort into. It's kind of like when you go to college. What do you want to major in? I'm just going to be undecided. But that don't give you long to be undecided.
Right.
It costs you money to be undecided.
It does.
If you finally declare major, you might have to start back a year to get caught up. So I love that. I love those options. So the resourcefulness is one of the things that I feel like sometimes we don't tap into as much as women, and we may find ourselves in a state of vulnerability,
yes,
unnecessarily,